There are very few places left in Africa that still feel truly undiscovered. Gorongosa is one of them. Set in the heart of Mozambique, this is a landscape of incredible diversity. Floodplains, forests, rivers, open savannas, and the towering presence of Mount Gorongosa in the distance. It feels wild, raw, and wonderfully untamed. But what makes Gorongosa so remarkable isn't just the scenery or the wildlife. It's the story. A place that was once devastated by conflict, now becoming one of Africa's greatest conservation success stories. And within this extraordinary ecosystem are Muzimu and Chikari camps, two intimate safari camps that offer completely different yet deeply connected ways to experience Gorongosa. This is safari far from the crowds, a place for travelers looking for something authentic, meaningful, and truly adventurous. Muzimu and Chikari camps are designed to immerse guests in the landscape rather than separate them from it. Muzimu camp sits along the river and offers a classic tented safari experience with elevated decks, open spaces, and regular wildlife activity moving through camp. Chikari camp is more rustic, adventurous, and deeply connected to the wilderness around it. Perfect for travelers wanting a safari that feels raw, intimate, and exploratory. Together, the camps create a safari experience that feels deeply personal and flexible. Game drives here are exceptional, exploring an ecosystem that continues to recover and evolve year after year. But Gorongosa is about far more than simply wildlife sightings. Walking safaris allow you to slow down and truly engage with the environment. Boat safaris reveal an entirely different perspective of the floodplain and waterways. And one of the most unique experiences is the opportunity to gain insight into Gorongosa's extraordinary conservation work, from pangolin rehabilitation and scientific research to large-scale ecosystem restoration. This is safari with depth, where every experience connects you more closely to the land and its story. Conservation is at the very heart of Gorongosa. This is not simply a national park, it's one of the most ambitious restoration projects anywhere in Africa. Wildlife populations are recovering, habitats are being restored, and scientific research is helping shape the future of conservation across the continent. But perhaps most importantly, Gorongosa understands that conservation cannot exist without community. Across the region, the park invests heavily in education, healthcare, agriculture, and sustainable livelihoods. Projects like the Mount Gorongosa Coffee Initiative help protect forests while creating long-term economic opportunities for local communities. This is a model where wildlife conservation and human development work hand in hand. And that's what makes Gorongosa so inspiring. It's not just about protecting a wilderness area, it's about rebuilding an entire ecosystem, both natural and human. A safari here leaves you with more than memories, it leaves you with perspective.